Let me show you how to set ringtone from TikTok on your Android phone. Go to TikTok and type ringtones in the search bar. Then pick anyone you like from the tons of options. There are loads of them here. Choose whichever you want. Once you've chosen, tap on it. Hit share and select Save Video. Open the Google Play Store. Download and install MP3 Converter app. Now open it. Tap Video to Audio, and here you'll choose the video we downloaded from TikTok. Here you can listen to it and make it longer or shorter. Once happy, tap on Convert. Now name the file and tap on Save.